So I just finished my novice braids, and I wanted to show what the uniforms look like for Dva Boss Lab. So we wear scrubs, and it's just because uniform is professional. I wanted to make it more fun to wear a uniform by doing lavender as the color. But it's really stylish, so I want to show you the whole thing. This is from Scrubs 360 SCRUBZ, but these are like jogger pants. These are so comfortable. This is a stylish scrub, and these are the ones that you get at Boss Lab. So see, like these are like clothes, but this is your uniform. You can either have one of these badges that hook on your outfit, and you hold your business cards in it, and your school ID. And then this one does the same. It's a lanyard that goes around your neck. So this is the attire for the school. And you wear this whenever you're in your training. And it's pretty much the first 90 days you're required to wear this. Outside of this, after you're out of the 90-day training period, then you're able to dress how you want. But it is casual business professional attire at that point, and it's black because it's in line with the cosmetology field, and it's just to get you in the tone of dressing like a professional. Like most times when I have a client that I'm really doing, like I'll dress up and wear my heels and everything for that client. But any other time when I'm in the salon and I'm, just cleaning, working, doing anything, then I'll be comfortable or whatever. Or if I'm just going around doing nothing. But when I'm meeting with a client, and when I'm meeting with prospective students or anybody who, for any reason, needs to come to the lab, I will dress up to meet them. But that's why we do the scrubs, and then after that, you're free to dress how you want. The whole point is to build your income, to build your business, to build your brand over that 90 days so that you can invest in yourself, the way you want to dress, your wardrobe, you can invest in your brand. In addition to this, when it's time to work on the salon floor, you wear your apron as well. So I'm about to show you how the total looks with you. So it would just be like this. This would be the only exception to your outfit, would be whatever your brand is, it would be on your apron. So that's how you would set yourself apart. But I just thought this was a good idea because the goal is to attract high caliber clients that are going to be willing to pay the prices that we set you up to be able to charge, and then more. You can charge what you want to charge, but it's just a base rate. We get you on track to be able to charge at least $250 when you leave here, and then it's up to you if you want to charge more. But that's like a base starting rate. So you can keep your rates at that point, or you can raise it because of your confidence, your competency, and your clientele at that point. But this is how your uniform will look when you are at the Boss Lab. Lavender scrub, and you just put on your, and not this. I just have that on because I just finished my braids. And I'm waiting for my water to boil so that I can dip them. Yeah. I just washed everything. Wash day was yesterday. So I put the towels up. I'm about to take out the trash, and then I'm gonna dip my hair. But yeah, the edges are swooped and whooped, I gotta probably touch it up again, but it's just like how I do my clients. Swooped and whooped. Yeah, I'm keeping these in for 3 months. And when I say that, I'm gonna do a touch up at a month and a half, and that's when I'll redo my crown. I wanted to do boho, but I didn't take boho hair home with me. So I was like, shoot, I'm not gonna prolong the process. I didn't want to have to wait and come back here and get boho hair. So when I do my touch up, it'll be the crown and the perimeter or whatever. I'll redo it with boho hair so that I can have the look I was going for. But yeah. These are my braids. I'm happy because I've always wanted to have a small braids. And I never felt like I had the patience to do them on myself, but this time was a lot quicker My hair used to feel a lot thicker or whatever, but I think it might have been that blow dryer from school. It has the right amount of heat. My other blow dryer is kind of old, so it doesn't straighten my hair like it could, it should. I think I'm gonna put some lashes on too. But yeah, this is it. Boss Lab attire. You get 2 sets of scrubs, and you get to pick the fit of your scrubs. But they're nice. They're jogger bottoms, and they got little design accents. You can wear whatever shoes you want to wear, but this is the requirement: a scrub, just for professionalism. And to keep it simple, so we all focus and we look like a uniform, like a unit, a cohesive unit of professionals. And our brand stands out on the background of your scrub.